Shiba Inu. He's a rescue dog. I got him a couple of years ago. He's about 11, maybe 12. What a stretch, old man. The stretchy girl here is Jane. Jane is also a rescue dog. She's 12 years old. She's a Korean Jindo. Bought a set of stamps from Harbor Freight so that I can transpose this number onto this plate. CHP requires that the chassis number is visible when they do the check of the car. The number is actually going to be back here behind the radiator. There's no way the CHP will be able to see it if they rivet it onto the car, somewhere where it can be seen. Screwed that up because of dyslexia. I only had one of these plates, but fortunately I bought one of those. It's a little bit longer, not like it as much. And there we go. One frame numbered. Got the one side plumbed up, it looks pretty good. I'm waiting for the water pump inlet. I misplaced mine, I need to order a new one from GBS. Kind of on hold until then, unless I want to fabricate my own, which I don't. Injector port plugs. Designed these up in Fusion 360. They're designed for 3/8 hose. They offer some vacuum and PCV options, which we need in California. Printed in nylon, SLA process. I have them done by Xometry. So they just push in, tap them in. They have a snug interference fit. You can pull them out if you need to, but shouldn't need to.